Hold on, guys. I just got done with the other video. Here we go. There's no one playing me asleep right now.
The National Weather Service in Fort Worth has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Central Freestone County in Central Texas, Henderson County in Central Texas, Anderson County in Central Texas, Eastern Navarro County in North Central Texas, until 12:15 a.m. Central Daylight Time. At 11:04 p.m. Central Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Rice to near Navarro to near Wharton, moving east at 45
I haven't even got done putting the title yet.
Hazard, 65 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail.
Looks like I ain't getting no sleep.
Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Corsicana, Palestine, Athens, Gun Barrel City, Fairfield, Moorbank, Chandler, Blackhawk, Toole, Cairns, 7 Points, Frankston, Wortham, Brownsboro, Eustis, Berryville, Trinidad, Angus, Enchanted Oaks, and Coffee City. This includes Interstate 45 between mile markers 195 and 227, in between mile markers 229 and 238. For your protection, get inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 12:15 a.m. Central Daylight Time Tuesday for the following counties in Texas: Anderson and Henderson.
Alright.
The National Weather Service